So now I'm sure all of you are excited to check this product in your hand. But you need to little wait for that. But you no need to little wait for knowing the more details about this product, especially the breakthrough configuration of this product. And the first of all, this time with OPPO F9, we are introducing the updated ColorOS, that is ColorOS 5.2 with Android 8.1. Yes, thank you. And this is one of the achievement to us. And this ColorOS also support the Google Lens. And this time, the information, what you want to search, it's very near to your hand. So it will give you very good experience in your busy life. So you can search any information through text, through objects, you can easily find out. And Google Lens will help you to give the information within possible short time. So it's our another breakthrough. And this time, I would like to talk about a surprise for especially for video and game lover, that is our smart bar. This smart bar help you when you are playing video. At the same time, you can message to your friend, no matter you are using the phone horizontal or vertical way, doesn't matter. So you can reply the message as well. So it's very important when you are playing game without stop the game, you can able to communicate with your friends and family. So yes, many music lovers love this thing, that is music on display. That means when you are playing any video, you can able to play music. So it's very convenient for the music lover. So this time, we also introducing much more things with ColorOS 5.2.